Today we have a 2016 GMC Terrain SLE. It's got 8,000 miles on it, Summit white in color, and it's still covered under factory warranty. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Terrain. And everything looks really good. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the nice thick GMC factory floor mats, gray cloth, the black trim, the red stitching. Driver's seat's in really good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. It is an automatic. Climate control area, AM, FM. Got a backup camera and display right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And it's got your cruise control on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 8,977 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'm going to show you your home screen here. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, also it's got the thick floor mats back here in the back as well. Back seat cloth looks good. Got the center console that pulls down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Right, let's take a look in the back. Alright. Got your stock floor mats right here. So go ahead and take those out. Alright, but the carpet back here is in good shape. Good bit of room back here. Nice convenient power outlet. And it's also got your spare wheel under there. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Right, plenty of tread still left on the tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 GMC Terrain SLE. It's got 8,000 miles on it, still covered under factory warranty. Alright, it's been well taken care of on the inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.